Hi, let's understand the process of put-away cancelled item in Uniware. Put-away cancelled item is created when the order gets cancelled after invoicing, but before dispatching. This is because after being cancelled, the inventory allocated to that order must be released and be available for the other orders to be fulfilled. For an order which is just created or not packed yet, and an order item in it is cancelled, then it does not require a put-away. It can, however, be put back. Always remember that the process of put-away marked complete will adjust the inventory count for the products correctly. The inventory will add back to the available stock again. Whenever an order gets cancelled after invoicing, you will see this prompt in your order which says, Put-away pending. You may go to the fulfillment icon and choose shipments. Go to the Put-away pending tab. All the cancelled orders for which put-away is pending will be visible in this tab. As you can see, there are 3 cancelled orders for the same SKU. However, each order contains a single quantity of this SKU. You may select the orders and go to Actions. Click on Complete Put-away and a Put-away ID will be created, which will have the quantities from all the cancelled orders. Now, you may click on Create Put-away List. Assign the designated shelf and complete the put-away. As a result, the inventory will be added back to the available stock. Thank you for watching.